Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to undo in Airtable. All right. Undoing will work on any views. For example, at the Kanban right here. Okay. Let's say I will move this to doing or need review. All right. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and press Control plus Z in my keyboard simultaneously. All right. Control plus Z. As you can see here, it says action undone. Another one. New row, Control plus Z, as you can see here. Now, if you are on Mac, to undo actions on a MacBook, use Command plus Z, and to redo, you have to use Command plus Shift plus Z. Okay? These commands work across many applications, including Pages, Keynote, and other Mac applications. And going back, for example, we are under Grid View. Okay? I'm going to rename new row right here for like new row sample. And then I'm going to click away. Again, Control plus Z. Right, as you can see here, it is not entirely changing, but just go ahead and press Control plus Z all over again until you have what you're looking for. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.